how to create the table in the InDesign, so that it will help for all the Excel document can be converted into InDesign. To know more about master page, please put it in my comment section. I'll send you the link. So it's my Excel, so I need to create this layout in InDesign. So let's get started. So basically I have 5.5 inches, like I'll go for 3. So now this is a special from the InDesign. So I have a 13 column, sorry, should be 10 and I should be 13 because 13 columns I have. So I need to make this layout. So this is how it looks, but what we need is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10 11 12 13. So 13 columns I needed. So let's start how we can make this one. Okay, so this is a table, so it's very special. If you see any Adobe softwares, a file, edit, layout, type, object, view, windows, help, but InDesign is given table also, so it's very nice. I like it very much. See, this is a table, so I wanted to make one more row. You can go to insert, row or column, anything. So row now, fine, above or below. I'll go for above. Okay, so it looks. And if you go back to Excel, you can see here description 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 even 12, right? So 12 things are there. So I need to make 12 table live. But why 13? 13 is for image that I'll show you later. So now I wanted to bring all the text to here. Alright, why this red? Because something is hidden. So let's go to character, then Helvetica bold, or regular, anything, it's fine. But we cannot keep 12 because we have so many tables. So I'll move to 7. I know 8 is minimum, but in this scenario I cannot keep 8. Okay, so don't worry, just a sample file. What did we miss? Alright, so this is how should be merged. Why? Because the description all is separate. Alright, okay, so why something is missing? Shift Control C. So it is center. Okay, so nothing to worry on that. Okay, if you select here, you'll get the option, so you can make center. Okay, so what is next? This is how you got, but what we missed is other and price group. How to make other and price group? As I told you, you can go to insert row. Yeah, above I1 1. Alright, so other is 50 and price is like percentage wise, like you can 65 35, right? So I'll go for others till where? Here I wanted to merge and put others here and merge, okay. Alright then, so if you come here, other and try. Okay, we'll go for 20. Yes, looks good. So sorry, give me a second. So we reached till here. I wanted to take to next level. Okay, I'm back. We got, so everything is set. Then what about this one? So this is special. We have to keep inside here. I'll go and I'll split horizontal. Okay, so that's all done. Paste it. Got it. Okay, it's very clean, and I hope it's very easy for you. All right, if you want to make it equal, you should do equal. Like, go distribute row evenly, right? Yeah. Okay, so did we miss? All right, all good. So now we need to do some changes, because when we took the table, it's like, it split it equally. Now we wanted to do some changes here, so that you should do manually, I say, because when you put the content, it will be different. So each time I cannot make all these changes. Okay, so that's the reason what I'll do. I'll go back. Okay, no problem. Helvetica 7. Alright, and this also 7. Your template is like all set. Alright, so all good here. We'll come back. Somewhere I don't need that much space, but should adjust this one based on my requirement. Okay, let's keep it this way. If you want any changes, we can make later. So now it shows. Oh, I'm sorry. We need some space for images, definitely. So I'll go, and actually we can put it inside this one, but I prefer not to put. I'll go with some standard layout here. I'll show you why. Shift Control, bracket. So you go back. Right, it's good. So as we saw here, so we got it everything right. Yes. So how to make, to bring back to InDesign. I just copied this one and came here, page, right? I select this one, and go to paste in place. Sorry, it's not paste in place, it should be paste into item. I'm using some shortcuts. Okay, don't worry. This is the setting. If you right click here, fit content proportionately, so it will fix automatically. So this is what I wanted everywhere. So maybe some area, some places it's very difficult for you to fit, but you have to do some manual work here. So this is how it looks. It should fit. Just keeping it's it's not a real time document, just a sample is okay. So this is how I do. And alright, so image is fine and content is fine. Resume stock, yes, this one. When you copy entire thing, it will come here. Okay, don't worry. It's not like individually you need to select and copy and paste it. It's not like that. It's very clean. It's very decent. Yeah. So you select everything, make it center, right? So it's very nice. So I like this app. Application. So if you have too much content, you can adjust here. How much you want, you can keep it, and then you go and split, distribute equally. So that's how you can make. Okay, so if you want to make one more, this one you can go and copy and paste it here. Sorry, it don't work. You should put one. Sorry. Alright, so split equal, then you copy. Yeah, it's looking very nice. So if you want to update other information, then you can go here and you bring it here and paste it. Works well. And I know when you're changing the documents, font will be changed, so you need to take care of these things. And this is not that easy, like no. Okay, so as I said, if you want here, this is what I told, you can fix it here. So it is a different story. I don't work in that way, so I wanted some standard things like need to follow the rules. So I don't prefer this one. Okay, just delete it. As I showed you, I wanted some control on that. That's the reason I keep like this. I'll go because I don't know, I don't work in that way. Fine, so this is what I do. Fine. So if you want to change all the fonts, Control T. It should be 7, right? Yeah, 7 and Helvetica regular. Here we go. It's not like all the time you need to do. You can do, you can update everything and you can change or else before documents you do. So once you do this document, come here, then you can see here there's a page. So first page, second, third. Why is this coming from here? Because I didn't do in this page. I started with mastery. So this is mastery and this is mastery, right? So if I do the same thing, yes, here. Don't worry, this is all, it's very good feature. You can see this one. It's just like something is hidden. I'll delete this one. Alright. So now no problem. Your bonding marks is here. Alright, so this is how it works. I'll just show you. So I just so now you can see both sides are there. This I applied this one. If you want none, you can go for none. If you want to like master, you can. Okay. So sorry, this one, this one here, play master. Why I didn't select anything. Why is shipping master? Okay, so this is it, nothing more. So if you have any questions, you can write it in my comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel because it's new. So I hope positive feedback from you, or at least any doubts about Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and some web issues. So you can write in the comment box. Thank you very much. I hope you understand this process from the Excel to InDesign using tables. So other options are there, but I'll show you later because now I just have time for this only. Thank you very much. Bye.